Hey guys, back. I haven't been posted in a while. Yeah, back in my hire. 5,200 is still in my hallway. You can see it in there. There's one last thing here. There. Damn, I can't even. Hold on, let's see. We're gonna start on hand first. I gotta take the front cover off. Get a screwdriver. Well, if I get a garage or something, maybe I'll use this unit. Or I might just get a new one. A little 5,000 or... Okay, one ended up making that noise. Also, you should not run the unit when you're taking the front grill off. It'll break it. There we go. Get my thing so I don't forget. What is it in here? 64. Put on low fan. Three, two, one. Refrigerant. Get a little super boost. Compressor hasn't ran for probably a couple of days or so. So refrigerant's going off, and that compressor sounds angry. Compressor sounds angry a little. But I give it a little super boost. The refrigerant's still going off. This thing hasn't ran. I can still hear the refrigerant. That compressor sounds angry. Give it a super boost. Look outside. A big snowstorm. It's starting to melt. It's starting to melt now. So, and don't worry, my ACs are fine in my shed. It's a little cold. Jesus Christ, that thing's loud. It's back here. It's not hot. I'm getting cold. 20. Typical LG. My 5150 GE has the same problem with like product like this. Okay, there you go. Alright, we're starting to get down. What is it in here? It's like 62 without the laser. It's like 62 without the laser. High cool. Without the laser, we're pushing out 60, 50. Wow. Okay, we're getting a little cold. Yeah, we're getting a little cold. It's not that much for pushing air or anything. Stall the fan. Put it back on low to give it a little super. Okay. Give it a little super boost. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, we just had it. Oh, we're getting frozen. So, we're getting freezing over here. We're pushing. The back we have 73, 78. We're almost there for hotness. Okay, I was putting the temp gun on the fan there. Scratching it up a little bit. Alright, let's see what we're getting on the coil. Wow, we're getting cold. Look at that, that's freezing. Oh, I thought I heard something. Alright. It didn't get cold yet. Alright, shut it down. Do fan. We're still pushing ice cubes when... I mean, sometimes you're in 57 on fan. Right? I'm gonna air it out. Without the laser, we have 60, 60, 61, 62. And not that much blowing out. Is it flat? Okay, guys, that's going to end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Out.